In the bustling heart of our homes, amidst the familiar sounds of everyday life, there exists a world of miniature wonders, the world of hamsters. But have you ever stopped to consider the subtle language they speak, a language of chirps, squeaks, and silent gestures? Whether it's excitement, curiosity, or even stress, we're here to uncover the secret language of hamster sounds. Within the intricate repertoire of hamster communication, chirping stands out as a particularly intriguing vocalization. First up, chirping. Hamsters make chirping sounds for several reasons. It could mean they're excited, curious, or even a little nervous. For example, if your hamster chirps when exploring a new toy or space, it's their way of expressing interest and excitement. This delightful sound, often accompanying moments of exploration and discovery, speaks volumes about their inquisitive nature. But sometimes, chirping can indicate stress. If you hear this sound when handling your hamster, it might mean they're feeling overwhelmed. Always make sure to approach them gently and give them time to adjust. Much like a whispered plea for reassurance, these chirps remind us that our hamster companions, though resilient, are also sensitive creatures deserving of our gentle care. Venturing further into the realm of hamster vocalizations, we encounter a sound somewhat more urgent and insistent, the squeak. Now, let's talk about squeaking. This sound can have several meanings. For instance, hamsters might squeak to communicate with each other. In some cases, it's a sign of discomfort or fear, especially if they feel threatened. If your hamster squeaks while you're holding them, they might want to be put down or need more time to feel safe in your hands. Just like us, hamsters use a variety of vocalizations to express themselves, and understanding the context of these sounds is key to deciphering their meaning. While we marvel at the vocalizations of our hamster companions, it's important to remember that not all hamsters are equally expressive. Not all hamsters are vocal. Some are naturally quieter, and that's completely normal. They might communicate more through body language, like stretching, grooming, or even subtle ear movements. A quiet hamster might simply feel content and safe in their environment. This doesn't necessarily indicate a lack of well-being. Rather, it highlights the diversity of personality that exists even within the animal kingdom. Observe, for instance, the subtle nuances of their body language. These silent cues, often overlooked, provide a fascinating glimpse into the inner world of our hamster companions, reminding us that communication extends far beyond the realm of vocalizations. Beyond the fascinating world of hamster vocalizations, a whole tapestry of behaviors awaits our understanding. Hamsters use sounds and actions to tell us how they feel. For example, licking your hand could mean they're curious about your scent, or even showing affection. Chewing on cage bars, however, is a sign of boredom or stress. Consider adding new toys or upgrading their cage to prevent this behavior. And as for their endless wheel running, that's their way of staying active and happy. Observe, for instance, the gentle lick of a hamster's tongue against your outstretched finger. However, not all behaviors are as endearing. The incessant gnawing on cage bars, for example, often signals boredom or stress, a desperate attempt to escape the confines of their environment. As we've journeyed through the intricate world of hamster communication, from their delicate chirps to their silent gestures, one crucial message emerges. Understanding your hamster's sounds and behaviors is the first step to building trust. Always pay attention to their body language and the context of their actions. A happy hamster is a healthy hamster. By learning to interpret their every squeak, chirp, and gesture, we unlock a deeper level of connection with these fascinating creatures. Remember, patience and observation are key. Take the time to observe your hamster in their natural habitat. When we approach our hamster companions with empathy and understanding, we create a bond built on trust and mutual respect. And that's it for today's video on hamster sounds and behaviors. I hope you found these insights helpful in understanding your furry friend. Want more hamster care tips? Stay tuned for our next video with more helpful insights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it to show your support, Share it with fellow hamster lovers so we can spread the hamster care knowledge, and comment below to share your experiences or ask questions. You could even help another hamster parent. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and adorable hamster content that will keep you and your pets happy. Help others by sharing this video and spreading the love for hamsters. Have you noticed your hamster making any of these sounds? Share your story in the comments.